Hey there, blockchain enthusiasts. Today, I'm here to share with you some top strategies for turbocharging blockchain growth. First up, it's crucial to prioritize security when it comes to blockchain technology. By implementing robust security measures such as encryption, multi-factor authentication, and regular security audits, you can protect your blockchain network from potential threats and ensure its long-term success. Next, don't forget about scalability. As blockchain technology continues to evolve and gain mainstream adoption, it's important to have scalable solutions in place to accommodate the growing number of users and transactions. Consider implementing technologies like sharding or sidechains to improve the scalability of your blockchain network. By focusing on security and scalability, you can effectively turbocharge the growth of your blockchain network and pave the way for a more decentralized and efficient future. So go ahead and implement these strategies to take your blockchain project to new heights. Remember, the future of blockchain is bright, so let's keep pushing forward together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.
Hey there, quantum computing enthusiasts. Today, we are going to dive into the world of quantum computing and explore the 10 key players driving success in this groundbreaking field. First up, we have IBM, a pioneer in quantum computing with its IBM Q network, which aims to accelerate the development of quantum computing. Then there's Google, known for achieving quantum supremacy with its Sycamore processor. Microsoft is also making waves with its Azure quantum platform, bringing quantum computing to the cloud. And let's not forget D-Wave, the first company to sell quantum computers commercially. Moving on, we have Intel, a key player in developing quantum processors, and Rigetti Computing, which focuses on creating practical quantum computing systems for businesses. Other notable players include AT&T, IonQ, Honeywell, and Zapata Computing, all contributing to the advancements in quantum computing technology. As these top players continue to push the boundaries of quantum computing, the future looks brighter than ever. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in this game-changing field. Uplifting ending sentence. The quantum revolution is just getting started, and these key players are leading the way to a quantum-powered future. Hey there! Are you ready to boost your confidence in quantum computing? Well, you've come to the right place. First things first, embrace the learning process. Quantum computing can be complex, but don't let that intimidate you. Take it one step at a time, dive into resources, ask questions, and most importantly, practice. The more you immerse yourself in the world of quantum computing, the more confident you'll become. Next, surround yourself with a supportive community. Whether it's online forums, social media groups, or attending workshops, connecting with like-minded individuals can provide valuable insights, encouragement, and motivation. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. And there you have it. By embracing the learning process and surrounding yourself with a supportive community, you'll boost your confidence in quantum computing in no time. So keep pushing forward, stay curious, and believe in yourself. You've got this. Uplifting ending sentence. You're one step closer to mastering quantum computing. Keep shining bright. Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of self-driving cars and explore how routine improvements are accelerating progress. One key factor driving the future of self-driving cars is constant innovation in artificial intelligence. Engineers are continuously fine-tuning algorithms to enhance the vehicle's ability to navigate complex roadways with precision and efficiency. This ongoing optimization is paving the way for safer and more reliable autonomous driving experiences. Another crucial aspect shaping the future of self-driving cars is the evolution of sensor technology. From lidar to radar to cameras, sensors play a vital role in helping self-driving cars see and react to their surroundings. As advancements in sensor technology continue to evolve, self-driving cars are becoming increasingly adept at detecting and responding to potential hazards on the road. With each new innovation and improvement, self-driving cars are edging closer to widespread adoption and integration into our everyday lives. The future of self-driving cars is bright, promising a safer, more efficient, and ultimately more enjoyable driving experience for all. So buckle up, because the future of self-driving cars is just around the corner. Hey there, amazing community. It's so great to see you all again. Today, I have some incredibly exciting news to share with you all about the growth of ChatGPT. Are you ready to dive into some surprising developments? Let's get started. First off, I am thrilled to announce that ChatGPT has experienced a significant increase in user engagement over the past few months. Our amazing team has been working tirelessly to enhance the user experience, and the results speak for themselves. It's truly humbling to see the impact that ChatGPT is having on so many individuals around the world. Secondly, we have some big plans in the works for expanding ChatGPT's capabilities even further. From improving response times to introducing new features, we are committed to making ChatGPT the best it can be for all of our incredible users. I am so grateful for each and every one of you who has supported us on this journey. Together, we are creating something truly special. Stay tuned for more updates, and thank you for being a part of the ChatGPT family. Uplifting ending sentence. Here's to growth, innovation, and endless possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure.